So what would actually happen if you cracked your neck every single day for an entire month?
At first, you might feel relief. That satisfying pop, it's just gas bubbles collapsing inside your joints, not your bones breaking.
But if you keep doing it every day, your ligaments may slowly loosen. And when ligaments get too relaxed, your neck can become less stable. You might start depending on that crack for relief. Muscles tighten more often, tension returns faster, and your body asks for another crack. Occasional cracking isn't usually dangerous, but if you thin your neck muscles, your spine supports you, it deserves a little care.